Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set a live wallpaper on your lock screen in Windows 11. Windows 11 does not support true live wallpapers on the lock screen. That means your lock screen cannot move or animate. But you can still make it look close to a live wallpaper by using apps like Lively Wallpaper or Wallpaper Engine. These apps let you use live wallpapers on your desktop. Here's how it works. First, download and install Lively Wallpaper or Wallpaper Engine from the Microsoft Store or Steam. Open the app and choose any live wallpaper you like. You can even import your own videos or animations. When you apply it, the wallpaper will appear live on your desktop or home screen. Now for the lock screen. Since Windows 11 can only use images or slideshows there, you can take a snapshot of your live wallpaper. In Lively Wallpaper, you can pause the animation and take a screenshot. Save that image, then go to Windows Settings, choose Personalization, then Lock Screen. Under Background, select Picture, and pick the image you just saved. If you prefer, you can also select Slideshow and use a folder of your own photos for a more dynamic effect. So here's what happens. When your computer is locked, you'll see the static image version of your live wallpaper. But once you sign in, the same wallpaper becomes live again on your desktop. That's all you can do for now. Thanks for watching.